During the holiday of Passover, it is forbidden for a Jew to eat or own chametz. Chametz is any product that contains grain that has leavened or risen. In biblical and Talmudic times, people would simply finish whatever grain products they had in their homes before the holiday commenced. If a small amount remained, they would destroy it or sell it to a non-Jew, and it was never seen again. However, in the 16th century, complications arose. The Jewish population in Poland was growing, but they were forbidden to own land. To make a living, many Jews leased taverns and sold alcohol, which is mostly grain-based. But what were they supposed to do over Passover? Liquidating the alcohol before the holiday would have caused huge financial loss. This became a widespread dilemma. A great authority of Jewish law, Rabbi Yoel Sirkis, known as the Bach, searched for a solution. He found a precedent in the Tosefta, a work from the Mishnaic period that supplements the Mishnah. The Tosefta considers the case of Jews traveling on a ship over Passover. In those times, travel could take weeks or even months, and passengers usually had to provide their own food. If the travelers were to destroy their chametz before Passover, what would they eat after the holiday while still on board? The Tosefta ruled that Jewish travelers were permitted to sell their chametz to a non-Jewish passenger and buy it back after Passover. Intending to repurchase chametz after Passover is thus acceptable, as long as during the holiday a Jew does not own the chametz. Rabbi Yoel Sirkis cited this as precedent and allowed the tavern owners to use this mechanism. He issued detailed guidelines to ensure that the sale would be authentic and legal. Today, most Jews rely on Rabbi Sirkis's ruling. The chametz one doesn't wish to destroy is sold to a non-Jew and bought back after Passover. To ensure that this transaction is done correctly, it is customary to authorize a rabbi to make this transaction on our behalf.